Hello all, Tech Enthusiastic here. We are trying to solve another LeetCode problem verifying an alien dictionary. It's a LeetCode easy problem. This question is being asked by the companies, mainly Facebook, last few months. The problem definition is that in an alien language, surprisingly, they use English lowercase letters, and the letters orders are different, not like A, B, C till J. So they have the sequence like H, L, A, B for different input order. And was that means that actually H should be lexicographically smaller than L. And what we want to find out actually, the given list of words, for example, hello and hello code, we want to figure out does these given words meet this ordering. So if it meets this ordering, we will return true, otherwise we will return false. One interesting input cases is apple and app, where is actually app and app are same till three characters, but the fourth character is different. But the thing is that if all the characters are same until third character, then the app, this word needs to be lexicographically smaller than apple. So in that case, actually the result should be false. So how we would solve this problem? It's a easy problem, but the given condition is that actually there are some few little tricky corner cases, so we need to be care of. So for how we will solve the problem, so one of the option we will follow the easy solution that actually for each of the pair of words we want to figure out actually does all the pair of words is lexicographically smaller than the second one. So for example, if we consider this word and world, we want to figure out that actually does word is a lexicographically smaller than world. And also second time we want to check that word is lexicographically smaller than row, same as actually world then row. If all of them are successful, then actually we will return true, and any of the pair, if it is not true, then actually we will return false. So let's go to the coding. We will use Java. So a few of the things that if for the corner cases, if our words array is null, then we will return true because there is no given list of words. To check the string ordering, what we can do actually, the easiest way to check the ordering, we will put all the characters in a hash map, which will be character integer, and our order map, this how we want to maintain that. Actually we want to store all the orders of those characters in a given alien dictionary language irrespective of their position. So if we want to compare the index, so what we can do actually for each of the character here inside this order, so basically what we are doing actually, we are storing all the characters based on their respective position as a in a hash map. So for example, for HLAB, for this kind of input, what we want to store, we will store H as 0 and then L as 1, and last character would be maybe the 26 or 25. Now what we want to do actually, For each of the pairs of words, so if our pair of words start from 0, we want to go to the last word, and we want to check all the pair of words. So our j will start from I plus 1, j is less than words. Sorry about that one. The LeetCode autocomplete doesn't work as expected. So for each pair of words, we want to figure out, does that pair of words meets that lexicographically ordering? And if any of the pair of words doesn't meet that lexicographical ordering, we will return false, otherwise we will return true. So that means we want to figure out if this pair of words is a correct order. If not, we will return false. So what do we need actually in our correct order checking? Let's see what are the input parameter we will need. We'll need the words. So words. We need actually the hash map, which contains the ordering, which is character, integer, order map. We need the index of this word, which will be I, and the second index of the second word, int j. We want to give the index of character which we want to compare. At first it will start with 0, and another boolean which will represents that does all the characters till now are equal or not. So what does that mean? That means we will return words order map, then I, j. At first the index will be 0, and for starting we will assume that this is true. So now if we are done with this function, then we will be able to complete the problem. So let's get the word. First word is actually from our words, the ith index, and second word is jth index. Now we will think about the corner case, that means apple and app. That means if we already have seen few characters, that means app and app both are same, but the second one already exhausted, but index is already, first word already has character, then we will want to return false. So that we can do something like this way, that our index, which character we want to compare, if that is already word2 dot length and the previous characters was similar, then actually we will return false. That means the second word should not end if until these characters, all the characters are same. Now we want to check if our IDX, this index character we want to check, word1 of length, this should be also a function, and our IDX is less than word2 length, so now we want to check that the first two characters of this word and first character of this guy, does this character H is lexicographically greater than L. If that is the case, then actually we will return false. So these will be something like order map. Order map contains our word1 dot char at IDX. If this is greater than word2 char at IDX, and till now we have the equality, then we want to return false. And for the similar case, actually if the first word's character is less than this guy, then the equality has been not true, so we will return we will update the value of EQ. And finally, if the characters are in correct order, what we want to do, we want to check that the second order next character position also maintains the order. So order map ij idx plus 1 and eq. If any of them return false, we want to return false. Otherwise, whenever we are out of this loop, this will be a return true. So let's check, is there any error? Seems like word length and word length 2, there's some issue. So cannot find symbol word2 dot length. So I forgot the parenthesis here. Okay, let's submit this code. Okay, cool. Seems like it's been accepted. So the main issue actually, the tricky use case condition, we need to care about what are the cases when we want to update the equality boolean as false. And also we want to compare that actually if the second word has already been exhausted. Both are the cases when the output would be false. That's all for this problem. So if you have any questions or any other comment, you can leave a comment below. You can like and share this video, or if you want to subscribe to the channel, you will be able to get all the update. about the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, bye.